I'd like to be the first to welcome you to the Orlando area, where the local time is 8:47 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all of your carry-on items stowed free of the center aisle until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. You may use your cell phones as long as they are within your reach. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. Once again, your one and only indication it will be safe for you to get up is once that seatbelt sign right above you has been turned off. If you require any special assistance, such as a wheelchair this evening, we do ask that you remain seated so the majority of the passengers have deplaned, as wheelchairs are not typically available till closer to the end of the deplaning process, and that will allow the ground personnel to better assist you. If you have a connecting flight here in Orlando, please check the monitors in the terminal for your updated flight and gate number information. And if you are connecting and have checked baggage, it will automatically transfer over to your next Spirit destination for you. For the rest of you who need to claim any checked baggage here, it is carousel B as in Bravo 21. Once again, that is B as in Bravo 21 for checked baggage. I want to thank you again for choosing to fly with us this evening and hope to welcome you all back again soon. Once again, welcome to Orlando. If Orlando is home, welcome home.